Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm about to share with you will shock the automotive world. Nissan, one of the giants in the car industry, has just declared bankruptcy. What does this mean for you, the consumer? If you've ever dreamed of driving a brand new car for an incredible price, now might be your golden opportunity. First, let's address the big question. How did we get here? Nissan's bankruptcy declaration is a culmination of declining sales, intense market competition, let's just say some questionable corporate strategies. But don't worry, we'll dive into the juicy details later in this video. Here's the exciting part. When a company like Nissan files for bankruptcy, it often leads to what's called liquidation sales. Dealers are desperate to offload inventory, which means rock-bottom prices for cars, trucks, and SUVs. We're talking thousands, yes, thousands off the sticker price. With the situation Nissan is in right now, we're offering up to 40% off on some models. And the best part? We're throwing in extended warranties just to sweeten the deal. 40% off? That's practically unheard of. And it's not just new cars. Pre-owned Nissans, certified vehicles, and even parts are seeing massive discounts. But before you rush to the nearest dealership, there's a catch. When a car manufacturer files for bankruptcy, questions about long-term support arise. Will your warranty still be honored? Will parts and service remain accessible? These are crucial factors you need to consider. So here's my advice. If you're in the market for a short-term car or something you don't plan to keep for a decade, this could be the deal of a lifetime. But if you're looking for a long-term investment, do your homework, talk to your dealer, get everything in writing, and maybe consult with a lawyer just to be safe. At the end of the day, Nissan's bankruptcy is both a cautionary tale and an opportunity. While it's sad to see such a legendary brand in this situation, it's also a reminder of how quickly the market can change and how we, as consumers, can benefit from those changes. What are you waiting for? Check out your local Nissan dealership or visit their website. But act fast, because these deals won't last forever. You might just drive away in the car of your dreams at a fraction of the price. Now here's where it gets even crazier. Some industry insiders are whispering that this bankruptcy could lead to auction-level deals. Yes, you heard that right. Nissan cars, trucks, and SUVs could be up for grabs at prices you'd never expect. Imagine walking into an auction and snagging a Nissan Z for the price of a used compact. It's happening, and it's happening fast. A bankruptcy sale like this isn't just about individual dealerships slashing prices. Entire fleets, test vehicles, rental cars, even company cars could hit the auction block. And if you're savvy enough to keep your eyes on local auctions, you could score a deal so good it feels like stealing. But here's the trick. You've got to act strategically. Not every dealership will advertise these deals openly, so it's up to you to dig for gold. Call around, ask about liquidation pricing, and don't be afraid to negotiate hard. Remember, they need to sell these cars more than you need to buy one. And one last thing, beware of the fine print. Some dealerships might tack on hidden fees or try to push extended warranties that may not even be valid if Nissan's restructuring doesn't go as planned. Read every contract carefully and don't sign anything until you're 100% sure of the terms. If you're ready to take advantage of this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, do your homework. Find out which dealerships in your area are offering the best deals. Second, be ready to move quickly. Inventory will disappear faster than you can say liquidation. And finally, weigh the risks and rewards carefully. This could be your chance to save big, but only if you play it smart. Who knows, that dream car you've always wanted might just be waiting for you at a price that feels like a dream too. All right, let's take this one step further. If you're serious about grabbing one of these deals, you'll need a game plan. Let's talk about how to find these deals beyond just calling up dealerships. Liquidation auctions are often advertised online, but they're not always easy to spot. Start with websites like Auto Auction Mall or even local auction houses in your area. Search for terms like Nissan bankruptcy sale or manufacturer liquidation auctions. And don't forget to check social media. Some dealerships and auction houses will post last-minute announcements that you won't want to miss. Go early to preview the cars before the auction starts. Look for signs of wear and tear, check mileage, and ask for vehicle history reports if they're available. Auctions are often, there's no backing out once you've placed your bid. And here's a little insider secret. The best deals often happen on less popular models. While everyone's fighting over a Rogue or a Z, you could score a killer price on a Sentra or a Frontier. So keep your options open. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What happens to Nissan as a company? Filing for bankruptcy doesn't always mean the end. Sometimes it's a strategic move to restructure debt and come back stronger. But in the meantime, we're seeing one of the most aggressive sales events in automotive history. Remember when GM went through bankruptcy in 2009? They came back swinging, and their customers still got their cars serviced and warranties honored. Will Nissan follow the same path? Only time will tell. But right now, this is your window to take advantage. All right, folks, there you have it, a complete guide to navigating the Nissan bankruptcy and scoring an amazing deal. Do your research, act fast, and don't let the excitement of a low price cloud your judgment. A deal is only good if it works for you. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insider tips and breaking news from the car world. And hey, if you end up buying a Nissan during this crazy time, drop a comment and tell me about your experience. You're still here? Alright, here's a little bonus for sticking around. Fun fact, I may or may not have just put in a bid on this beauty right here. And let me tell you, the price? Let's just say it's cheaper than my monthly coffee habit. Remember though, no deal is worth rushing into without doing your homework. Except maybe this one. Okay, before you roast me in the comments for getting too excited, let me just say, if you're about to snag a Nissan during this sale, you're probably gonna feel exactly the same way. Until next time, happy driving and happy deal hunting. Oh, you're really hanging around, huh? Alright, let me share a little insider tip for those of you who are still watching. If you're not ready to dive into auctions or dealership sales, keep an eye on online platforms like Carvana, AutoTrader, and Craigslist. With the bankruptcy news, some private sellers might panic and list their cars at ridiculously low prices just to offload them quickly. Think of it as your second chance at a deal. And think about its worth, its most important piece, the history. Think of it as your second chance at a deal. And here's the kicker. Some dealers might even throw in perks like free maintenance packages or extended warranties, just to make you to sign. So don't be shy, ask for extras. The worst they can say is no, but trust me, they'll probably say yes. We're talking live Q&As, real-time auction updates, and insider tips from industry experts. Oh, and maybe even a few surprise guests. Who knows? Mark your calendars, set your reminders, and bring your questions. I'll be diving deeper into strategies, highlighting cars you should watch for, and breaking down everything you need to know about this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Click the link in the description below to sign up. It's totally free, and trust me, it's going to be epic. Oh, and if you've already snagged a Nissan deal, bring your stories to the live stream. We're featuring the best ones live on air because sometimes the best deals aren't just found, they're shared. You didn't think I'd leave you hanging, did you? Here's the final cherry on top of this wild ride. The live stream countdown is officially on. We're talking insider scoops, live Q&A, and some juicy stories from people who've already scored the deal of their dreams. Plus, I'll be sharing some bonus hacks that didn't make it into this video, things that could save you thousands more. And remember, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a story, a piece of history. Make it count. Until next time, stay sharp, stay savvy, and stay on the road to success. Alright, before I let you go for real, here's a sneak peek at what's coming up in the next video. Ever wondered how dealerships actually handle bankruptcy sales on the back end? We're going undercover, well, sort of to uncover the secrets behind their pricing strategies and what this means for your future car buying adventures. You'll learn how to spot hidden gems, how to negotiate like a pro even during a bankruptcy sale, and, wait for it, the insider tricks some dealerships use to maximize profits even in situations like this. Let's just say, not everything is as it seems. Want to know more? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss this one. Trust me. In the meantime, stay curious, stay informed, and don't be afraid to ask the tough questions. I'll see you soon. Alright, since you're still here, here's a little secret I save for my VIP viewers. If you're really serious about getting the ultimate edge in this crazy Nissan bankruptcy sale, join me on my exclusive live stream this weekend. Step 1. Research the resale market. Right now, with all this buzz about Nissan's bankruptcy, buyers might not realize the value of these cars. Look for models with strong demand, like the Nissan GT-R or Rogue, and compare prices across platforms like Kelley Blue Book, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace. Step 2. Add value. A little elbow grease can go a long way. Get the car detailed, make minor repairs, or upgrade a few key features like tires or a sound system. Presentation is everything when it comes to flipping cars. And step 3, timing is everything. The buzz won't last forever, so strike while the market is hot. List the car with eye-kicking photos and a compelling description that highlights the deal you got. People love a good story. And the bankruptcy sale angle? That's gold. Not bad, right? And hey, even if you're not looking to flip, this whole process might just make you fall in love with the car all over again. So, there you have it. Whether you're looking for a killer deal, a new ride, or even a side hustle, Nissan's bankruptcy might just be your ticket. But don't wait too long. These opportunities are rare. And once they're gone, they're gone. Here's the deal. If you found this video helpful or just mildly entertaining, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your deal hunting squad. I mean, who doesn't love the idea of scoring a new car for less than the cost of a used one? And if you're hungry for more, check out my playlist on how to master dealership negotiations or my review of the latest electric vehicles hitting the market. Trust me, there's something for every car enthusiast here. Oh, and one last thing. Don't keep those auction tips to yourself. Imagine how much cooler your group road trips will be when everyone's riding in a bargain price Nissan. Alright, for real this time, I'm signing off, but before I go, drop your dream car in the comments, whether it's a Nissan GT-R, a Leaf, or even that quirky little cube. Who knows, maybe I'll see one of you driving away with it at an auction, because life's too short to pay full price. Still here? Alright, let's talk next level strategy. You've got the car, you've got the deal, but what if I told you there's more you can do with this opportunity? Let's dive into how to flip a bankruptcy sale car for profit or turn it into an investment. So, turns out even car deal experts can lock themselves out of their own rides. I guess this is what happens when you're too excited about a good deal. Pro tip, always double check your keys before showing off your new car. And let this be your friendly reminder to invest in one of those spare key holders you can hide under your car. You know, just in case you pull a move like this. Here, let me save the day. Again, and this, folks, is why you make friends with the dealership staff, not just for deals, but for moments like these. Crisis averted. All right, I'm officially driving off this time. No more interruptions. Thanks for sticking around. And remember, always keep your cool, whether you're negotiating a deal or rescuing yourself from an automotive mishap. Sometimes, the biggest deal is making it through filming. All right, that's a wrap. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. I'll see you next time, hopefully with my keys in hand. So you made it all the way to the end of the video, or should I say the real end this time. Let's be honest, if you're still here, you're probably as obsessed with cars and deals as I am. And that means we're officially best friends now. Okay, that might have been a little dramatic, but you get the point. Confidence is key. Walk in knowing you're the one in control. On a serious note, let's remember that Nissan's bankruptcy isn't just about deals. It's also about the thousands of employees and their families who are impacted by this situation. So, while you're out there hunting for that perfect price, let's keep them in mind too. Every car you buy helps dealerships and their staff stay afloat during tough times. Alright, now I'm really done. But hey, if you have more questions about this whole situation, drop them in the comments below. I'll try to answer as many as I can, or maybe even make a follow-up video. Until then, stay savvy, stay sharp, and as always, happy driving. Okay, one last thing, because I can't help myself. If you're still watching, here's the ultimate pro move. After you secure that killer deal on a Nissan, don't just drive off into the sunset. Take a victory lap. Literally. Show off that sweet ride. Share your experience online. Post a picture, tag your dealership, and let the world know that you got the deal of a lifetime. Who knows? Your post might inspire someone else to take the leap. This is a once-in-a-lifetime event, people. You've got to think of it as the Black Friday of cars, but with way better savings. And if you're really lucky, you might walk away with a deal so good your friends won't believe you. Alright, this is officially your last call to action. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed, because I'll be dropping updates as this story develops. Who knows? Nissan might even surprise us with a twist like a partnership or a bailout. You won't want to miss it. And with that, I'm off to see if my bid on that Z holds up. Wish me luck, and good luck to you too. Happy deal hunting. Alright, here's one last nugget of wisdom for the hardcore deal hunters out there. If you're planning to visit a dealership, show up prepared. Walk in like you own the place, or at least like you're about to. Here's the ultimate checklist to make sure you come out on top. And if you really want to take it to the next level, bring a friend who's good at negotiating, or better yet, someone who looks like they mean business. Sometimes just having backup can make all the difference. This isn't just a live stream. It's your backstreet pass to the hottest car buying event of the decade. Whether you're looking for your dream ride or just curious about how it all works, you won't want to miss this. Trust me, this live stream is going to be next level. Plus, we're doing something I've never done before, giving away an exclusive guide to negotiating your next car purchase completely free for everyone who tunes in live. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that reminder button, share this video with your friends, and get ready to join the action. It's all happening right here, and I can't wait to see you there. This is your chance to turn a historic moment into the deal of a lifetime. Be there or risk missing out. The clock is ticking, and this isn't just a sale, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Cars are flying off the lots, and auction prices are hitting rock bottom. Want in? Join the live stream this Saturday at 8 p.m. EST, where we'll break down the entire playbook, live deals, real-time analysis, and yes, I'll even help you spot the cars most likely to appreciate in value. But here's the thing, you have to act fast. Deals like these won't last forever, and the live stream is your golden ticket to staying ahead of the game. Click the link in the description, RSVP for the event, and make sure you're locked in. This isn't just a live stream, it's your roadmap to scoring big in the car world's wildest moment. Don't miss out. I'll see you Saturday at 8 p.m. EST. And remember, fortune favors the bold.